Unit 12, English Law. Unidad 12, tomado del libro Inglés para abogados, edición internacional, English for Lawyers. English Law, derecho inglés o anglosajón. English law refers to the legal system administered by the courts in England and Wales, which rule on both civil and criminal matters. English law is renowned as being the mother of the common law and is based on those principles. English law can be described as having its own legal doctrine, distinct from civil law legal systems since 1189. There has been no major codification of the law, and the essence of common law is developed by judges in court, applying statutes, knowledge, precedents, and common sense to the facts before them, to give explanatory judgments of the relevant legal principles which are reported and binding in future similar cases. In the early centuries, the justices and judges were responsible for adapting the writ system to meet everyday needs, applying a mixture of precedent and common sense to build up a body of internally consistent law. As Parliament developed in strength, subject to the doctrine of separation of powers, legislation gradually overtook judicial law-making, so that today judges may only innovate in very few areas. The courts of England and Wales are headed by the Senior Courts of England and Wales, consisting of the Court of Appeal, the High Court of Justice for civil cases, and the Crown Court for criminal cases. The Supreme Court is the highest court in the land for both criminal and civil appeal cases in England, Wales, and Northern Ireland, and any decision it makes is binding on every other court in the same jurisdictions, and often has persuasive effects in its other jurisdictions. On appeal, a court may overrule the decision of its interior courts, such as county courts, civil, and magistrate courts, criminal. Exercise 1. Match the following terms with phrases and write the corresponding letter. 1. Court. 2. Common law. 3. Statutes. 4. Parliament. 5. Civil. 6. Codification. 7. Precedent. 8. Mixture. 9. Few. 10. Power. A. A law that is passed by Parliament or Council. B. Place where legal trials take place. C. A combination of different things. D. Arrangements of laws and rules into a system. E. The way something has been done in the past. F. A system of laws developed in England. G. People that make and change the law of a country. H. Ability to control people and events. I. Involving personal legal matters. J. Small number of something.